blooper. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle, then keep watching. So I started this style with my hair detangled. Um, so I just comb it out and then I put a part at the front because it's going to be half up, half down. So I had to separate that part and then I just put it into a little ponytail to get it out of the way. Yeah, pretty simple to begin. It's the hardest thing about this is getting that part to be straight. I don't think I actually did, but it still worked in the end. So yeah, just get the part straight. No.
And guys, I'm just gonna speed up some parts because I don't want this to be too long.
So at this point, I just put some braids or some plaits in the back. If you want to be fancy, you can put cornrows. Either one's fine. They don't have to be neat. They don't have to be perfect because you're going to put a net over it when you're done. I'm just going to speed through this part because it's nothing special. Just put in some plaits. Okay? You got this. So the braids are done. That's what they look like. Not too shabby, right? Then just put a black net with cap over the back of it. That will fill in any gaps, hide the cornrows so you don't have anything poking out. Okay, so at this point, I just put my wig cap on. Um, you have two different ways you could do this. You could put it on and then just fold it over like I did in this video, or you could tie a knot and then cut off the excess. And then once I put the wig cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my little ponytail at the front. So at this point, I finished my scraggly little ponytail and it was time to put in the crochet braid at the back. Now, I don't know if you noticed or you can see, but the wig cap was slipping. I kept having to fix it. This problem could be solved if I had just used two bobby pins to hold it in place while I was doing it and then just remove them when I was done, but I didn't. By the way, this video I got the inspiration from another YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and tag her in the description because I watch her videos all the time and that's where I get ideas for my hairstyle sometimes because she has 4C hair just like me. Now this part is where I put in the crochet braid. I just used the single knot method or whatever it's called. I just knot it one time. Not, I didn't need more than that because with the net, it wasn't gonna slip. Usually when I do crochet directly into my hair, I would knot it more than once, but it isn't going anywhere with the net. So yeah, if you don't know how to crochet, um, if you want, let me know in the comments. I can make a video showing you how to do it, or you could just type in on YouTube how to crochet here. There are so many videos showing how to do it. That is how I learned to do it. I learned to do my hair for myself on YouTube. Everything I know about doing hair, almost everything, I've learned on YouTube just from watching other YouTubers do their own hair or do their clients' hair. There are a couple of hair pages I follow. That's how I get my inspiration, and I made this channel because I always do my own hair, and people are like, "You did that yourself?" I'm like, "Yeah, I did it myself." So at this point, I finished the back of my hair. There was no method to the madness. I just put in the hair and just tried to cover the back, just make sure there was no gaps, no spaces, and then I do the top. I use like 4 bundles of the hair, and the bundles are actually really small, and then I started to put in the hair at the top. Ideally, you want to do this style, you make sure you put in enough hair to completely cover that little bun so it doesn't show, and then you can trim it so it's even and so it looks really nice and finished. But I didn't do that, and you will see what I did in this video. Looking back, I think I could have made this style better. If I do it again, I will improve, but it's all a learning process. Okay, so I wasn't really feeling the other way with ones bun, so I'm gonna try two and see if I'll prefer it this way.
So because I didn't like how it looked with the single bun, I decided I was gonna try the double bun because at this point I liked the way the back looked and I was not about to do this over. It was like almost my bedtime. I have work in the morning. I'm not finna do my hair over. Nope. So this has to work. So I did those two buns, and then I put the hair, like I use a rubber band to like put on the hair, so I could put the hair over the bun, and then I wrapped it. Maybe if I had done the first single bun like that, it would have looked better, but I was just going with the flow.
Okay, this is the finished product. Um, I'll fix my edges later, maybe now.
Okay, so I used the Got to Be Glued freeze spray just to try to make sure that my hair didn't get frizzy too quickly, because that's my biggest problem when doing my hair. Like after a day, it's just all frizz. And I think it worked. My hair hasn't gotten frizzy as yet. So, yeah, I think you can try that to make sure your hair stays in place. I mean, it could definitely be slicked down much better. Definitely. You can use gel or whatever and slick it down. I'm doing a happy dance because I was happy that this style turned out really well.